Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mod Ghost Recon Breakpoint. First, you must locate your game's installation directory, typically found within your Ubisoft Connect folder. Next, identify the specific files or folders that the mod intends to replace or modify. Always create a complete backup of these original files before proceeding with any changes. This crucial step ensures you can easily revert your game to its unmodded state if needed. Before installing any mod, it is vital to prepare your system. Begin by downloading your chosen mod from a well-known and trusted source, like a dedicated modding forum. Always read the mod's documentation thoroughly. It often contains specific instructions or prerequisites. Verify that the mod is designed for your exact game version to prevent compatibility issues. This preparation saves significant time and effort later on. Now, let's install your mod. First, extract the downloaded archive using a file compression tool such as 7-zip. Carefully follow the mod's instructions to place the extracted files into the correct game folder. This might involve replacing existing files or adding new ones. For certain complex mods, you may need to use a specific mod manager tool, which automates the installation process. Modding can sometimes lead to unexpected issues, but don't worry. If your game crashes or behaves unusually, immediately restore your original backup files. This will quickly get your game working again. Check the mod's specific troubleshooting guide or visit its community forum for known fixes. Remember to install one mod at a time and test your game thoroughly after each edition to easily identify any conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.